Welcome to Lebanon, Connecticut, a town where community thrives. Our historic green and friendly faces are just the beginning. At the heart of Lebanon are small businesses, the true lifeblood of our town.
These aren't just stores, they're the heartbeat of our community.
Think of the plumber who saves your night, or the cafe where your order is remembered.
These businesses are run by friends, neighbors, and family, people who give back and invest in Lebanon.
Local businesses create jobs, drive innovation, and keep our economy strong. Supporting them means investing in our schools, public spaces, and the future of our town.
This is a celebration of our small businesses and a guide to help them thrive.
Every local business is a gem. Our goal is to help them shine, both in town and online.
The world is changing fast. Customers connect differently now. We want to give our local champions the tools to succeed in this new era. Their legacy is Lebanon's legacy. Let's help them thrive, together. Being great at your craft isn't enough anymore.
The marketplace is digital, open 24/7 everywhere.
If customers can't find you online, your talent goes unseen.
If you're not on the first page of search results, you're invisible to many ready-to-buy customers.
Many business owners excel at their work but struggle with websites, SEO, and social media.
An outdated or missing online presence is a barrier to new customers.
The challenge: how do our local heroes bridge this digital divide and grow?
The answer is finding the right partner to build a strong digital foundation.
Lebanon's business owners are masters of their craft.
They've perfected their skills and built loyal followings.
But in today's world, mastery alone doesn't guarantee growth. Outdated websites and poor search rankings create an invisible wall.
If customers can't find you, your talent is hidden.
Every missed search is a lost sale. Customers go to competitors who are easier to find.
Even the best businesses lose out if their digital presence doesn't match their quality.
It's a quiet crisis. Our local gems can't shine if they're invisible online. The solution? Make their digital presence as strong as their reputation. Let's break down the barriers. A missed digital opportunity often starts with an outdated website. Clunky design, missing info, and poor mobile usability drive customers away.
Most searches happen on phones. If your site isn't mobile-friendly, you're losing business.
Frustrated users leave for competitors with better sites.
Then there's SEO. If your site isn't optimized, Google won't show you to local customers.
No keywords, no Google business profile, no visibility.
Even the best business looks closed or out of touch if its digital storefront is neglected.
This digital neglect lets competitors capture your customers. The result? Lost growth, lost revenue, lost community impact. It's time to fix it. Meet Sarah, owner of Lebanon Sweet Treats Bakery. Her pastries are legendary, her customers loyal.
But her website is outdated, hard to use, and missing key info.
On mobile, it's a mess. Potential customers give up fast.
She's invisible in Google searches and hasn't claimed her business profile.
Every search for wedding cakes or local bakery goes to competitors.
Sarah's passion is baking, not digital marketing.
She's overwhelmed with no time or budget for a big agency. Her digital wall keeps her from growing no matter how good her treats are. This is the challenge we must solve, for Sarah, and for every local business. Every problem has a solution, and for Lebanon's small businesses, it starts right here in our community. Bajio Web Solutions is your local partner. Neighbors invested in your success, not a distant corporation. We make digital solutions accessible, affordable, and tailored for Lebanon's businesses. Let us handle your online presence so you can focus on what you do best. Together we'll build a stronger, more vibrant Lebanon, one business at a time. The cornerstone of any effective online presence is a high-quality, professional website. This is your digital storefront, your 24/7 sales representative, and often the very first interaction a potential customer has with your brand.
At Bajio Web Solutions, we specialize in custom website design that ensures this first impression is a fantastic one. We move beyond the clunky, outdated designs of the past and create websites that are clean, modern, and incredibly easy to navigate. We believe that a great website should not only look beautiful, but also function flawlessly, guiding visitors effortlessly to the information they need, whether it's your phone number, your list of services, or your physical address.
A critical component of our design philosophy is a mobile-first approach. We know that the vast majority of your potential customers are searching for you on their smartphones. That's why we design every website to look and work perfectly on any device, from a large desktop monitor to the smallest phone screen. No more frustrating pinching and zooming, no more tiny, unclickable buttons.
We ensure the user experience is smooth, intuitive, and seamless, which keeps visitors on your site longer and makes it simple for them to take the next step, whether that's calling you for a quote or placing an order. This instantly builds credibility and trust.
Your website should be a true reflection of your business's unique identity and quality. We work closely with you to capture the essence of your brand.
For a plumber or electrician, we emphasize professionalism, reliability, and easy-to-find contact information for emergencies. For a boutique or a bakery, we focus on stunning visuals, showcasing your products with high-quality photography and creating an inviting, warm atmosphere. We build custom features tailored to your needs, such as photo galleries to display your past work, integrated menus for restaurants, or simple contact forms that make it easy for customers to get in touch with you at any time.
This is the ultimate difference between a DIY template and a professional build. A generic template makes you look like everyone else. A custom-designed website from Bajio Web Solutions tells your unique story. It is built with a clear strategy in mind to convert visitors into customers.
It is not just about having a presence online, it's about having a presence that works for you, actively generating leads and growing your business. It transforms your website from a passive digital business card into your most powerful and effective marketing tool.
A beautiful website is just the start. If customers can't find you online, it can't do its job. That's where local SEO and listings come in. We optimize your site and business listings so you show up when locals search for your services. We claim and optimize your Google business profile, making it easy for customers to find, call, or visit you. With the right local SEO, your business stands out, attracting more customers right here in Lebanon. Now, let's revisit our case study, Sarah, the talented owner of Lebanon's Sweet Treats. Feeling overwhelmed and digitally invisible, she decides to partner with Bajio Web Solutions. This decision marks the turning point for her business.
Our first step is to sit down with Sarah in her bakery, listen to her story, and understand her goals. We learn about her passion for baking and her dream of expanding her catering services. We don't just talk about code and keywords, we talk about cakes and customers. This collaborative approach immediately puts her at ease, replacing her anxiety with a sense of excitement and possibility.
Next, we get to work building her a brand new digital storefront. We design a warm, inviting website that beautifully reflects the charm of her actual bakery. It features a stunning, high-resolution gallery showcasing her custom wedding cakes and event pastries. We create an easy-to-navigate online menu with clear pricing and descriptions. Most importantly, the site is fully mobile responsive, so a bride-to-be can browse her cake designs flawlessly on her phone. We also integrate a simple contact form specifically for catering inquiries, making it effortless for potential clients to reach out to her for a quote.
Simultaneously, we tackle her digital invisibility. We perform in-depth local SEO research and optimize her new site for terms like wedding cakes, Lebanon, Connecticut, custom bakery near me, and best birthday cakes. We claim and fully build out her Google business profile, uploading delicious-looking photos of her creations and ensuring her location and hours are perfect. We even help her set up a simple system to encourage her happy in-store customers to leave positive Google reviews, which begins to build her online reputation and further boosts her search ranking.
Her digital presence is no longer an afterthought, it is a powerful, strategic asset. The results are transformative. Within weeks, Sarah starts receiving catering inquiries through her new website form. When people search for local bakeries, Lebanon's Sweet Treats now appears prominently in the search results and on Google Maps. New customers walk in, phone in hand, saying, "I found you online, and your cakes look amazing." Sarah hasn't had to become a web designer or an SEO expert. She has simply focused on what she does best, baking, while her new digital partner, Bajio Web Solutions, ensures the whole community can discover her incredible talent. This is the solution in action, empowering a local gem to shine brightly online. Before partnering with Bajio Web Solutions, Lebanon's Sweet Treats was digitally stranded. Sarah, a master baker, poured her heart into her craft, but her website was a ghost town, slow, outdated, and broken on mobile. Potential customers like Jessica would search, get frustrated, and leave. The digital storefront repelled new business, misrepresenting the bakery's real-world excellence. This disconnect left Sarah's talent hidden, her business stuck, and her growth limited. After partnering with Bajio Web Solutions, Lebanon's Sweet Treats transformed its digital identity. The new website is bright, professional, and showcases Sarah's stunning cakes. Now, customers like Jessica easily find the bakery online and are instantly impressed. The digital storefront finally matches the bakery's quality and charm. With a strategic online presence, Sarah's business is thriving and ready for growth. Many business owners fall into the DIY trap, using cheap website builders that seem cost-effective but end up costing more in lost opportunities.
A DIY website is like building your own storefront with scrap wood. Functional but unprofessional and unlikely to attract customers.
Partnering with Bajio Web Solutions is like hiring expert architects for your digital presence, saving you time and growing your business.
Invest in a strategic asset that works for you 24/7, not a digital chore that holds you back.
For small business owners, digital transformation can feel overwhelming. Time, cost, and complexity are real hurdles. Juggling daily tasks, tight budgets, and technical jargon makes change seem impossible. But acknowledging these barriers is the first step. We're here to help you move forward, one step at a time.
At Bajio Web Solutions, we make digital transformation accessible, affordable, and simple for every Lebanon business owner. We respect your time, offer clear pricing, and handle the heavy lifting, design, coding, and content. As your local partner, we guide you with transparency and plain English, never jargon. With Bajio, you get a powerful online presence, without stress or surprises.
Your business is more than just a business. It's the heartbeat of Lebanon, Connecticut. You are the foundation of our local character and economy. In today's world, a strong online presence is essential for growth and connection. Investing in your digital future means investing in your dream and our community's success.
At Bajio Web Solutions, we're here to help you thrive, because your success lifts us all.
The digital world is the main street of business today. A strong online presence is no longer optional. It's essential for growth and survival. Your search ranking is your storefront's visibility. Online reviews are your modern word of mouth.
The time to act is now. Secure your digital future. Your digital transformation is within reach. Your future customers are online right now, searching for you. Make sure they can find you.
The journey to digital success begins with a single, simple step. You do not have to make a huge commitment or a big investment to get started. You just have to be curious. You have to be willing to see the potential that is waiting to be unlocked for your business.
To make this first step as easy and risk-free as possible, we're making a special offer exclusively for our fellow Lebanon area small businesses and home service providers. We're offering a completely free, no-obligation website analysis and digital presence review. This is your opportunity to get a clear, expert assessment of where you currently stand online.
Here is what this free analysis includes. Our team will personally review your existing website, if you have one, and your overall online visibility. We'll look at its design, its mobile friendliness, and its basic search engine optimization. We'll see how easily customers can find you on Google and in local directories. We will then provide you with a straightforward, easy-to-understand report that highlights your strengths and, more importantly, identifies your biggest opportunities for improvement. There is no technical jargon, no high-pressure sales pitch, just honest, actionable insights from a local expert.
Taking advantage of this offer is incredibly easy. Simply visit our website at www.bajiowebsolutions.com. You'll find a simple form where you can request your free analysis. Just provide your business information, and our team will get to work. This is not an automated report. A real person from our team will conduct the analysis and prepare your results. It's a chance for you to gain valuable information about your business's digital health without any cost or commitment.
Let us show you what is possible. Let us give you a glimpse of the after picture for your business. Your business is a local gem. It's time to let it shine online for the entire community to see. Do not let another day go by where potential customers pass you by. Take control of your digital destiny and invest in the growth and future of your business.
Visit our website today to claim your free, no-obligation analysis. Let's start a conversation about how we can partner together to help your business not just compete, but win in the digital age.
Thank you for being a vital part of our Lebanon community. We look forward to helping you thrive.